Hi guys, let's talk about multiplying fractions today. We're just doing a fraction by a fraction. We'll do another video that has multiplying mixed numbers. So here I have the fraction 4/7 times 3/5. Fortunately, multiplying fractions is a lot easier than adding or subtracting. Whenever you multiply or divide fractions, which we will talk about later, you do not, I repeat, you do not need a common denominator, which makes our lives a lot easier. So here, 4/7 times 3/5. Whenever you multiply fractions, you simply multiply the two numerators together and the two denominators together. So here, I'm going to multiply the numerators first. 4 times 3 is 12. 7 times 5 is 35. Then of course I need to check and make sure, is this in simplest form? Is there a number that can go into both 12 and 35, a number other than 1? In this case, the answer is no. 12/35 is my answer, and it's already in simplest form. Here's another problem. I have 8/9 times 3/4. I'm going to teach you a trick that guarantees your answer is in simplest form. So, in 8/9 and 3/4, we're going to do something called simplify before we multiply. And what you do is you look at the numbers that are diagonal or above and below each other. For instance, when we simplify before we multiply, we cannot simplify two numerators and we cannot simplify two denominators. Anything else is fair game. So here, I have 8 and 4. I can think of a number that can go into both 8 and 4. I'm thinking of the number 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I'm going to cross out this 4 and I'm going to write a 1. And 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I'm going to cross off this 8 and make it a 2. Let's see if there's anything I can do with the 3 and the 9. Is there a number that can go into both 3 and 9? I'm thinking of the number 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I'm going to cross off the 9 and write a small 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'm going to cross off this 3 and make it a 1. Now this looks really confusing, but I just made my multiplication really easy, and my answer will already be in simplest form. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 8/9 times 3/4 will give me 2/3. Keep in mind that whenever you multiply fractions, your answer will actually be smaller. Remember, that's because you're working with part of a whole, not a whole number. So it might seem silly to you that when you multiply numbers, your answer is actually getting smaller. But keep in mind that you're working with fractions. I hope this helped you. Again, if you need help, you know who to ask.